Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Polo R-line 1.0 TSI, a hatchback designed for style and performance. With its vibrant red exterior and luxurious interior features, this car is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Packed with comfort and safety features like cruise control, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. The security features such as privacy glass and anti-collision system ensure that you and your passengers are always protected. This vehicle also boasts a stop and start system for fuel efficiency and a powertrain warranty for added peace of mind. At Spirit Motor Group, we guarantee a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today to find out more about this exceptional vehicle. Drive away in style and safety with the 2022 Volkswagen Polo R-line 1.0 TSI.